Hello there, happy people, and welcome back to my channel. You guys, it is a Vlogmas day 11 and we are kicking butt. You guys, what are we doing today? Oh, first of all, I have this really cute Santa on me. It's a Christmas shirt, but today it's really cold outside, really cold. So I put on this Christmas robe on. Hope you like it. Okay guys, so what are we doing today? Nothing too special. Haven't done any major decorations or anything today. It's Saturday, taking it a little bit easy, spending some time with the family. So today we're going to CVS. Briefly, I'm gonna show you quickly what they have and what they don't. And then I am adding some extra touches here that y'all didn't see. Hup! Watch until the end. Oh, and we're also having a mini Amazon home, mini one. And that's about it, y'all. I hope you like this vlog. Now let's go to CVS. We already have this. I put them in my Christmas tree, if y'all remember. What is this? Wow. I like it. What do you think? You like it too? Okay guys, I actually came here for lights. I need some string lights. I know that at Home Depot probably or Lowe's are much cheaper, but I need something. Oh my god, they have more of this? Because I feel like I need a couple more. What is this? They have now. Ooh, they have now this going on again. Spend 30, get 10 back. That's awesome. Nothing really new. Let's go check out the lights. I need fake snow. I need that. I don't know. Maybe. Ooh, maybe. Oh, there you go. This is what I need. Yeah, they are $4.99. I mean, they are like $2.99 at Lowe's, and I think there are 100 lights, not 70. But it's okay. Oh, Christmas trees for sale. They're $2.99 mugs, babe. I can't. I have enough mugs. Oh, they brought wrapping paper. Didn't have it last time actually, so. But I think I have enough wrapping paper from last year because I buy them on sale when Christmas is over, and then I stock up for next year. Because look now, $5.99. No, I bought it for probably 59 cents. Well, hello. Do you like it? He's eating his crackers. Choice. Well, look at this air fryer. $89.99. Okay. Oh, look at this. Oh, fall. 75% off. Okay, let's do it. Let's buy. See, I wasn't here on time because I probably had more. But I would like some mugs. And I would like some of this. How much is this? So this is a cutting board. $3. Now we'll get it for like $1 or something. Let's get this. Tablecloth. But I am all for the mugs. So we're gonna get this for next year. And then I'm gonna get, oh, they have more here. Well, I love this one. So listen, y'all, yeah, see, they probably had so much more here. but I didn't come here for a while, so that's all they have left. I'm gonna get a couple of this. And a couple of the sunflower ones. Yeah. I'm gonna get another one of this. These are pretty cool and always come in handy. The way we cook, we always need more. That's it. I mean, 2 of these mugs is enough. We don't need more. So that's all, you guys, because whatever was here, it's gone. We have the chocolate. Buy one, get one 50 off. And my boys love this, so I'm getting this, and I'm getting this. The squares and the snowman. This is buy 2 get 1 free. Now, if y'all remember, Justin's like, you didn't buy me my kisses. Well, here I'm gonna I found him the kisses. I think these are the ones you want, so I'm just gonna get. I think this is what you want, so I'm gonna get 1, 2, 3. So this is buy 2 get 1 free. Oh, what is this? Maybe this. How about we get 1 in almonds too? Okay. Yes. I love this one. Do you remember where I got this from? I got it from Kohl's. Okay guys, so CVS was fun. They didn't have much, but it was fun. But I got home, you guys, and I got 3 packages. We're gonna open them together. Okay guys, so I opened these boxes so we can go through them quickly. It's just a mini Amazon haul, nothing too big. I opened the big box, and here's my new toy is the Dyson outsize. I have one already, and I'm already using it in the house. This is the second one. Just amazing. Vacuum. I'm not sponsored, obviously, not yet. How about that? I hope, maybe. But anyways, no, I'm not sponsored or anything. I really love this vacuum, and I really like Dyson products. Anyways, okay, so in the first box I have, yes, you guys. Okay, do you remember when I said that I need to redo this area, you know, above the TV, because it's kind of dark and I need some lights for under the cabinet? I got them, and these are warm white, 12 colors, you guys. We're gonna do green, we're gonna do red. Wait until the end, you guys, so you can see how it looks. It's gonna look amazing. Okay, what do I have in this box here? And this is all from Amazon, you guys. I love Amazon. Oh my god, this apple just fell. Okay, a disaster. Okay, so this is my new, I don't know about it, but we'll see. This is my new tree skirt for, it's like a color for this tree right here, y'all, the one in the living room. Although I do like the one I have, I wanted to see how this buffalo check will work, since, you know, the tree is like kind of buffalo check, candy style situation happening over there. So we'll try this color, and if it doesn't work, you know, we can return. Oh my god, you guys, I am not mad at this tree color at all. I actually like it. Oh, look at the details, y'all. Look at this, is so cute. The reindeer, the Santa, it's matching his pants. What are you doing?
Tree ornament.
You're a tree ornament? Anyway, so now it's matching his pants. Yeah, but anyways, matching, you guys, it's matching the other decor on my tree. I love this tree color very much. I wasn't sure because, you know, it wasn't metal, so I thought it's gonna look maybe cheap or something. Nope, it looks great. I like it. It was at a good price. I win. Then what do we have in this box? Oh, I think this is pretty heavy. So, yep, these are 48 AA batteries, because we use batteries here like crazy. So that's a bunch of batteries right here. These are 48 and we need them all. Trust me, I'm probably gonna order more. Yes, flameless LED candles. Okay, so these were my number one for this over the TV area right there. Remember how I told you guys that I want something else instead of this flower? I want this. There are 9 candles. They're gonna light up. They're gonna be gorgeous. Let me show you quickly, and then I'll set them up, show you how it looks, and done. See, Vlogmas day 11, fun. Oh my God, y'all. I am so disappointed. Okay, I thought that they're much. I know the height because I read the height, but I thought that they were a little thicker. I mean, they're still gonna work, but I thought they're thicker. I need not, so okay, well, it should work. We'll see how it works. Yeah, I definitely thought that they're like this thick. Oh well, these are also come with remote. So guys, there are 9 different sizes. The highest, which is this one, is 9-inch, and then they go like 8-inch, 7, 4, whatever. Yeah, so, well, you know what? It's okay. Let's see how it looks, and if not, I'll return them. I was so excited for this, but are they skinny or what? Let's take 2 AA batteries. Okay, I turned one of the lights off, not everything, so we can see, but here is the candle. Now, it does come with the 2 of these remotes, and it does have a 2-hour timer, 4, 6, and 8. It has a candle option and a light option, so that's awesome. So the candle, it should probably move. So, yep. See what it does when you put the candle? It moves like a candle, the little wick. Okay, so right from the start, I'm seeing this one as well comes with 2 remotes. And as you can see, all the colors. LED under the cabinet light. And they look like this. Let's see, they probably take battery as well. Do they take batteries through remote control? Yes, so 3 AA's. They take 3 AA's. I have enough of the AA's. I think this is also, you can put a time. Let me see. That 60 minutes, 30 minutes. Okay, guys. So here's what we have. You can do it by hand and turn it on. Well, pretty now, isn't it? Or you can do it with this little remote here, and it's on, and it's yellow. Sure. Do you want some green? Oh yes. So let me. It doesn't, you know what? It looks so much better in person. I don't know why y'all can't see on this camera. Let me turn off the lights. I have no idea why this comes the way it is, but it's a beautiful, beautiful green. It really is a different color on camera. But anyways, there we have the red and just many colors, y'all. Oh, yep, they come with little stickies over here. So let's go ahead and put them, and I'll show you guys when it's all done. Okay, guys, so I'm quickly gonna show you again. Do you see how dark everything is in here? It's dark. Just everything gets dark. And here as well. I already actually put one light, but I forgot to take this video, so I'm not gonna turn them on. I'm gonna turn them on when I'm done with all of them. But do you see what I mean? If you go from far, y'all, it needs something in there. So let me show you how it looks now. Okay, guys, this is what I have going on so far. I might take this one out. So you see how the top ones look so amazing because they're hidden, kind of hidden. This one, you can see them. I wish they're more, what's the word I'm looking for? More subtle? Maybe not the word. It is awesome. You like it, James? Well, James loves it, really, you guys. Oh, good job. And you can change colors from here. Hold on. So you want purple. They both change the purple. If you want both red, they'll both, there you go, both are red. James is gonna play with it. Yeah, sure, go ahead, honey.
Oh my God, this is...
You like it? Okay, you guys, so I just wanted to show you. Oh, look at the white. Leave the white for a second. 1 second, baby. Oh, this is not the white. This is the yellowish color. This is the everyday color that we're gonna do after Christmas. You like it? Good, baby, good. That is pretty cool, actually. Okay, here, this is what it, yes. Yep, show them something.
Click one, it doesn't do them all, so you technically just point at it.
Yes, exactly. You can change each. The way I pointed, it changed both. But if you go a little closer to just one, it will change. So you can have them all in different colors. So Yeah, so that is cool. Like I said, you can see the bulbs, but that's fine. It doesn't bother me. And when you're far away from here, you know, it looks really awesome and you can see what's in there. We'll see. Okay, guys, so this is what we're doing next. We're taking this flower out. We're gonna put the candles and let's see how that looks.
Yeah, boys, I'm Christmasing up the house too.
We are Christmasing up the house even more. Yes, y'all, we are.
Oh, wait.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you here the candles in a second. One doesn't work at all. I changed the batteries. Just nothing. So okay, never mind, y'all. It just worked. Do you know how much I played with this thing? It is Christmas, y'all. Magic does happen. It works. It works. Okay, well, before we put this one, I set it up 8. This is how it looks. You guys, I will return them. I'm telling you right now. Because they're too small. I need like huge. I need triple the size to go up there. These are way too small, way too tiny. I did not anticipate. I thought it will be at least twice as thick. That just doesn't look right. I would have loved to put them here, but Matthew throws everything. I can't. I had those down here for a minute and they were all over the house. Well, you know what? I actually might not even return them. I'll just find a place for them in the house because they are pretty. Okay, guys, I was gonna take them out immediately, put my flower back, go get the bigger ones. But you know what? I'm going to leave them. I want to see what Justin thinks of them. I know they're small, but he might like them for now, you know, and it kind of goes so well with the other ones. But you guys, I did decide to leave them until Justin wakes up and see what he thinks about it. What do you guys think? They're not that bad. They're just really small. Okay, guys, we're gonna play around a little bit here with this colors just for a second. So here we have a red on the bottom, and here I have all red, but here's the green. Oh, let's do red on top. We'll do this. How about we'll do this? Let me show you how it looks from far. So this is what we have. We have red on the top, green on the bottom. Okay, this is all green. Y'all see? It's all green. You guys, I love this. Okay, listen. Okay, here's what I'm gonna ask you guys. I really, whoever's watching this video, please comment down below because your opinion means so much to me, y'all. Please tell me what colors did you like the best and if you like those candles up there or not. In my opinion, but I really would like to know what y'all think. I think the red alone goes perfection just because of all the red happening in this room. Because, you know, we have this candy cane theme situation. Then we have, you know, the buffalo chip, which is red, and even with the, you know, the tree skirt and everything, lots of red. That red Santa, red couch. Yes, I do have those green couches over there, but they're kind of, you know, I feel like the red goes so perfect, but I might be wrong. Maybe it's nicer, more festive with the green, but you know what? Yes, we can change. I mean, we can change. You can have one night green, one night red, but I feel like this red goes perfect with the color scheme of my room for Christmas this year. I hope you guys like this vlog, and I will see you tomorrow, you guys. Love you. Bye.